Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the wrong time on your MacBook. If your clock is showing the wrong date or time, it can affect Safari, app logins, updates, and even website security warnings. Let's go step by step and fix it using the fastest built-in methods. First, make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of your screen and confirm you're connected to a stable network. Since I am using an Ethernet, I don't see any available options, but you will. Your Mac usually syncs time automatically using Apple's time servers, but without internet, it cannot update the clock correctly. Now go to the Apple menu and open System Settings. From the left side, click General, then select Date and Time. This is the main control panel for all time-related settings on your Mac. Inside Date and Time, look for the option called Set Time and Date Automatically. Make sure this is turned on. When it's enabled, your Mac automatically pulls the correct time from Apple's servers. If it is already on but the time is still wrong, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. This refresh often fixes syncing issues immediately without needing a restart. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's move to the time zone, which is another common reason for incorrect time. Still inside Date and Time settings, find Set Time Zone automatically using your current location. Make sure this is enabled. If it's already enabled but incorrect, disable it once, then enable it again so macOS can redetect your location. If your Mac still shows the wrong time, you can set it manually as a backup method. Turn off the automatic options, then manually adjust the date, time, and time zone to match your region. This is useful when location services or network syncing is not working properly, and that's it. Your MacBook should now show the correct date and time. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.